At Enerlon, we make smart building upgrades simple, fast, and hassle-free. By installing wireless sensors and controls that work seamlessly in existing buildings without opening walls, rewiring, or causing a disruption. Your smart system can be up and running in just days, not months. Our devices communicate securely over a private LoRaWAN network server. This means your data is safe and flows in real time to easy-to-use dashboards that don't rely on your building's IP infrastructure. You get real-time monitoring of temperature, humidity, CO2, energy use, and remote HVAC and lighting control. Plus, instant alerts for leaks or alarms help prevent costly damage. With our monthly service model, startup costs are less than you might think. Plus, as licensed HVAC, refrigeration, electrical contractors, and IoT providers, we manage everything from start to finish, including 24/7 support. Call Enerlon today at 888-363-7566 to set up a free assessment and take the first step toward a cleaner, safer, and optimized environment.